Hi, I am Uday Shetty, General Manager working in Batliboi Limited, Textile Air Engineering Division. We, Batliboi, established in 1892. We are into diversified engineering industry. I am in Air Engineering Division of Batliboi. We catering to the textile, non-textile, spinning, weaving, all these applications in our group. We are into manufacturing of huge industrial fans, machine tools like turning centers and machining centers, vertical lathes. We have our own electrical motor division also. We are into diversified business as a Batliboi. Initially, we used to outsource our laser cutting requirements for all our requirements. It was costing us more. We are wasting time on transportation, loading, unloading, all these things. It was consuming our manpower also. So we thought that procuring our own laser cutting facility in-house. Then we contacted Mr. Janak, who is Senior General Manager CNC Business of Messer Cutting Systems. We contacted him, he supported us. Then we gone for fiber laser 3015 IPG power source of 2 kW capacity with the enclosed design and shuttle table with the double pallet. Based on the feedback, in 2023 we expanded our capacity with the MultiTherm Pro with the XPR 300 Hypertherm power source. The nesting software is OmniWin. It was helping us very good in cutting up to 30 mm thickness. We dedicatedly use for this machine for our industrial fan. Both the machines are user friendly, less dependency on operators, beautiful cutting quality, very good productivity. Basically, we cut 0.8 mm to 16 mm in our laser machine, which is mild steel. We cut 1 mm to 6 mm stainless steel. In plasma, we cut up to 30 mm by piercing and cutting. One major thing is with the Messer, we satisfied with their service team. Whenever we call, they will be ready. Then more that regarding consumables, spares, we don't have any issue till date. They are supporting at a single call. I would recommend our Messer cutting system for laser as well as plasma cutting. Messer machines both are plug and play type machine. In next expansion plan also, we will be going for Messer only.
Hi, my name is Nandakumar Jha. I am in BE Mechanical Engineer. I am head of production. मेसर मशीन आने से हमारा एक तो क्वालिटी का इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ और प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ गया हमारा। स्क्रैप का भी जो जितना भी हम लोग क्लस्टर जो करते हैं मिनिमम स्क्रैप हो गया। जो हमारा पहले 10% स्क्रैप था वो अभी हमारा 2% से 3% भी स्क्रैप हो गया है, जो कि कस्टमर भी हमसे बहुत खुश हैं उससे बिकॉज ऑफ मेसर.
I could say that is the one of their strength services of Messer cutting system.